question is, if we put 4 M&Ms on a plate, 4 different colors, then we take half a cup of water and pour them on top, what's going to happen?
We think the colors will change white or brown.
What's going to happen?
The color's going to run off the M&Ms, and then it's going to make it form a really nasty color, and then all the M&Ms are just going to be milk chocolate.
We think the color will fade and wear off because it got wet.
What do you see happening so far?
We see the colors change. The colors are coming out into the water.
I see that all of the M&Ms, the colors are running off the M&Ms and they're all going to meet in the middle.
Look at how the M&Ms get lighter as the color washes off of them. Who can tell us why the colors didn't mix? Dylan?
Because the similarities of the density wouldn't disable the colors to mix together.
Okay. So what question are you trying to answer in this group?
We're trying to answer how much space would be taken up by the colors if we use 5 M&Ms
Instead of
4.
Would the temperature of the water change the speed of the dye to turn off?
Okay, excellent.
Dang, that was fast. And so is the orange.
Yeah.
Okay, now get the cold water in so you can compare how fast they go. Okay, pour slow. So is that happening as fast as the hot water did?
No.
Mm-mm. Okay, and here we've got 4 colors and 5 colors together.
Yeah, that's a little diamond in the middle.
Nice straight lines between your colors tells us that you poured it in very carefully and there's no swirling happening in your dish where the water is moving.
So I was the one to pour it.
You poured very well.
Last time it wasn't as straight colors.
What's the question that you guys decided to try to answer?
We are going to change the number of M&Ms, so what we're going to do is see if it will if the number of M&Ms will decide if the colors will be different or if they'll combine together or just stay in their same place.
Okay, Lydia, what's your experiment?
We are putting cranberry juice in M&Ms and seeing what happens.
Last group, what question are you testing?
We're testing and seeing how much more space would the M&M colors take up if we added even more M&Ms. And we're also thinking, we put the boys on the other side, would they kind of like make a trail to each other?
Interesting.
Kind of. They're kind of starting.
Danny, what are you talking about?
A blue trail. Nothing
kind of
much, but
forming a
it's
trail.
so tough.
Okay, so that one still has nice divided lines. They are starting to mix here, I wonder why. Your table's jiggling a little bit. Remember we talked about how movement on the table will cause that to happen?
I'm guessing that this is the same thing that happened yesterday.
Okay, so watch that. Try not to shake the table. Moving the table is going to mess up your lines.